Hello everybody, it's Michelle, and you might remember my ginger and turmeric booster shots. They're great for the immune system and anti-inflammatory, but I thought if you don't want that strong concentrated shot that you might just want to add those anti-inflammatory spices and things just to your morning orange juice. So I'm going to pour about 8 ounces here. It tastes a lot milder if you're just adding it to a full cup of orange juice. So I've got about a cup here, and you can just do this in your regular drinking glass, but I wanted to put it in a mason jar to show you guys that you can easily just put a leak-proof lid on there and take it in your lunchbox if you do work outside the home. So into each glass of orange juice, I'm going to use my 1/16 of a teaspoon measuring spoon here, and these are just a little tiny set that I bought on Amazon. I got these when my doctor put me on a low sodium diet for my blood pressure, so this way I could just not salt when I cook, and then I could salt at the table and have an exact measurement of how much salt I added, so I could keep up with my sodium intake each day. So for this, I'm going to be using the 1/16. So my anti-inflammatory spices are turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon. Those are the same spices that were in my booster shots as well. And I've got some avocado oil and black pepper because a healthy fat and some black pepper really helps the absorption of that turmeric. So with my 1/16 measure, I'm just going to add from each of these spices with my turmeric, my ginger, and my cinnamon. And I don't really measure the avocado oil or the black pepper. I just put a couple of grinds, 2, maybe 3 of that black pepper, and just a splash of the avocado oil. And honestly, the truth is you really don't even taste these. Now with your leak-proof lid, you can screw the top on there and just give it a shake. But I've got a new little gadget here that I couldn't wait to show you guys. This is the Simple Taste milk frother, and it really helps mix those spices in. The cinnamon especially tries to separate after it's been mixed, so I like to use the frother. That's why I used a taller jar. And then, like I said, you can just put that lid on there, pop it into your lunchbox. But I do have another option for you guys. If you really don't want to have things to wash that you pack in your lunch, if you would prefer to pack disposables, which I did at my most recent job as well. When you work full-time, you really don't want to add to your work at home. So I used to get these Apple and Eve Orange Sunrise, which is just a combination of orange juice and apple juice, and they are non-GMO. I really love these, and I took them in my lunch a lot. So I would just pop that lid off the night before and add my spices in. And in these, you may not have room for that frother to really get it to stirring up. So just kept that lid back on, give it a good shake, and then just put that in the fridge overnight, and then just pull it out the next morning, pop it in my lunch bag, and I was ready to go. So that's just a quick little way that you guys can add some anti-inflammatory benefits to your morning orange juice. Quick and easy for at home or if you're heading off to work. So comment down below if you like this idea, and be sure to let me know if you give it a try. Be sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and click the bell for notifications. Give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Healthy Minds and Bodies. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit the blog. I'll have all of those listed in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.